Have you ever seen someone play the flute and skate at the same time? Well, this is only one piece of Jaclyn's story. Take a trip down to the rink with me as we roll through Jaclyn's history. If you enjoyed today's story and you want to pick up your own copy of The Evolution of Skating, you can find it on skatersconnect.com or Amazon. Jaclyn has been roller skating all her life. In fact, Jaclyn created one of her first core memories in roller skating class as a toddler. Skating runs in Jaclyn's family. Her grandmother and her great aunt were both skaters. Since her grandmother skated, there were always skates in the house that fit Jaclyn when she was growing up. Well, back in the day, there was no streaming. So if we wanted to watch something later, we had to record it ourselves. Jaclyn and her sister would watch old figure skating competitions and head out to the garage and try the moves. I know you've been there. Well, in middle school, she did a little bit of skating at the teen events, and in high school, Jaclyn rollerbladed, but it wouldn't be until 2018 when she jumped into the rhythm skating game. In 2018, Jaclyn hit a rough patch. One of Jaclyn's friends took their own life. Jaclyn became stricken with grief. Well, one day, Jaclyn looked up and saw her old skates. So she decided to dust them off. Get this, Jaclyn found an organ music session in 2018. Back in the day, skaters skated to organ music. Now only a select few keep the tradition alive. Well, Jaclyn noticed how tight-knit of a community they had formed. So she decided to stick around. Well, eventually, Jaclyn made some friends and she decided to make a Facebook group to help people in the area connect. In the beginning, the Facebook group was known as Skate, 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 New Jersey. Now they have merged with Trenton Skates and taken the whole thing to the next level. Okay, they doing it big over here at Trenton Skates. They got upcoming events, cameraman flexing too. That's how you know you at a serious skating rink. Jaclyn started posting on YouTube in 2020, and you might have seen one of her videos because she records a lot of major skate events. Let's check one out. Detroit Style Skating, Skateland Arena, Flint, Michigan. Shouts out to Angie Mack. Hey. Hey. Ooh. There she go. Let's go, Angie. This is a Detroit session. Well, that's all I have time to talk about today, folks. If you want to hear more about Jaclyn's adventures in the rhythm skating world, you can check out her whole chapter in The Evolution of Skating. So if you like this type of content, make sure you drop a like. If you want to follow the journey, you might as well subscribe and ring that bell notification icon so you will be notified next time we drop a video. And until next time, happy roller skate family.